Start with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and teacher. Honorable principal, respectful teacher, good morning and Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I am here to give a presentation. I am Varsha from class 7. First of all, I did my presentation topic, and my presentation topic is uses of technology. First of all, what is technology? Technology is the source. Technology is the source of energy, and it's a help in our difficult time and impossible work. Then many of examples of technology, but I talk about 6 examples of technology. First is TV. The function of TV is the television, and TV help in our we look at drama, we watch TV in dramas and shows, and many of films, and we enjoy it. In the first thing of TV is the big screen. Next is the smartwatch. Smartwatch, it can show us exactly time and anything, and it can help us to management timing and etc. After washing machine help in our wash the clothes and clean it, and it can help us wash and impossible works to possible. Then after mobile phones, everyone have their phones, and in phones we have many apps like Google, Play Store, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Then in YouTube we search cartoons and for lectures, online classes. In Google we search for presentations and many other educations. After fan which can give us cool air, and it help us cool the room. After after laptop, it can help in laptop can help us in education, and in matric or 12th class use the laptop because they have online classes and they join the online classes. It is all about my presentation. Then if you have any question, please ask.